This is just a quick update on MSTY price movements and also valuation if there is possibility for it to go up based on the underlying stock, which is MSTR, yieldmax, MSTR, option income strategy, ETF, MSTY. It went down above $1 or 4.22%. At this range, it's a really good price to buy because the yield right now is very high. Today's range was between 22.57 to 23.64. If you buy at the price of today, your yield is 130.30. That's a lot. So imagine if you put $10,000, you're going to get almost $13,000 per year. That's crazy. However, I'm not saying you should buy it. I'm just saying it might be a good time to buy because it always goes to 25. So between 20 to 22, for me, I like that price. Of course, if it goes to 17, that's even better, but I don't think it's going to 17 anytime soon. Now, one of the other MSTR ETFs are these leveraged ETFs. This is Defiance Leverage Long Plus Income MSTR ETF, MST. This one pays weekly. And the price of today is 21.12. See, it went down 8.13%. So it's 2 times more than MSTY because this one is 2x, meaning if MSTR stock goes down 1%, this is going to be 2. If it goes down 4%, of course, this is going to go 8%. This is exactly what happened today. So this is something you should be aware of, knowing that if you buy this type of ETF, your portfolio is going to be more volatile versus regular MSTR. And this one is another one does the same thing, but this is from T-Rex. This went down more at 9%, but it does have the same strategy of 2x long. So whenever MSTR stock does 2%, this is going to do 4% either direction. So that's also things you should pay attention to. But unfortunately, this ETF does not really pay distribution. So it's designed for growth. It's not an ETF for most people who are following this channel that will be interested to, because a lot of people here are buying these ETFs for income. So the best one will be either MSTY or MST from Defiance. If you look at the stock itself, MSTR went down 4%. So that corresponds pretty much the same as MSTR or MST. Now, is there any hope that this stock is going to go up? Because this stock going up will indicate that MSTY is going to go up. Yeah, we look at the 1-year target is 530. So if this stock goes up to 530 from 397, that's substantial gain. And of course, your MSTR ETF will also go up. But again, these year targets are just numbers based on analysts. They look at all the metrics. They say, okay, this is a target based on the number we have right now. But things change. And whenever things change, this number also will be changed, reflecting the momentum or the news at that time. So that's something that should be aware of. If you look at the beta, is the volatilities compared to S&P 500 is 3.81. So it has a lot of volatility. And that's why, of course, MSTY will be able to pay those high distributions, is because of these volatility. See, volume as of today is over 14 million. The other ETF I always talk about on this channel is CONY. CONY today went down by 53 cents or 6.04%, but within a week has gained about 7%. So this 7% including this loss of today. So that means within just 5 days, if don't include today, it was up almost over 12%. If you look at the month, it has gained about 12%, about 6 months. Is down negative 45%, but I made a video just a couple of days ago talking about CONY. Yes, the price is down, but with all the distribution you received, then you are really not down, you are up. If you buy CONY today at this price, the yield is over 184%. So it's a huge yield. If you think CONY and Coinbase stock is going to go up, then this might also be an opportunity to buy. But it's been at this lower price for quite some time now. CONY follows exactly underlying stock, which is Coinbase Global Inc. Coinbase recently has been added to the S&P 500, and that's why a couple of days ago, CONY went up massive, like a 24%. But today it just crashed about 7%. So it's pretty much the same as CONY. So now with that news, I don't know if this is going to go up more or it's just going to stay. But if we look at the 1-year target is 258. Analysts believe this stock has a leg up. So it might go up, and if it goes up, of course, CONY will also go up. Better, this is a volatility gauge as compared to S&P 500 is also 3.62, very volatile, and that's why CONY is one of the top paying ETFs from yieldmax, because they can ride those volatility and they can generate a lot of income. Now, before buying any of MSTR ETF like MSTY or MST, you always have to look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has 100% correlation with MSTR stock, because MicroStrategy buys a lot of Bitcoin and its performance is pretty much linked to Bitcoin. So whenever Bitcoin is doing great, MSTR stock and therefore MSTY will do great. The main thing to look here is the Bitcoin. I just want to make this video to keep you updated on MSTR, because this update makes sure that you always the loop, whether that's an income, a price movement, or any major important news that I believe it's important for you to know. I always deliver that. So if you don't want to miss, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification button. You can always receive the update whenever I release a new video. And if you find value in today's video, please consider smashing that like button. And if you know anyone who this information will be helpful, please share with that person. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you on next video. Bye bye.